Okay, we're gonna go play with my kitty with a laser pointer.
Laser pointers are fun. It's just at the wall.
Yeah, he does that. Okay, back up a little bit. No, no, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
You know you want it.
In a circle.
Just put it on the wall.
I'm trying to, but I'll only go if it's this wall.
Let's go.
Well, I'm trying, but like, he won't come. Come on!
Aw.
Are you tired? Well, I'm going to fix his neck. Come on! Look! Look! Wow, you're lazy today. Wow. Come on, boy. He tries to get it with this one, but...
Crap, I think I have like the video light on. And it's making it like slow.
He's like, where'd it go?
Okay. Aww. I don't think he wants to play anymore.
Yes, he does. See? Oh, there it is.
Oh, don't come near me, don't come near me.
There it is. There it is, kitty. Wow. Oh. Come on, man, get dizzy. It's so cute when he's dizzy.
He just was.
You know what I mean? Like when he's super dizzy. Because he's down, like breathing really hard.
He just hit his head.
Yeah.
Aw, poor kitty. He's like, where'd it go? There it is. This never gets old.
No.
Get him dizzy. Aw.
Oh. Nice.
Try not to hit the wall. It's like, oh, where'd it go? Shh.
Back up a little bit.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, I want to see if I'll go for a walk. Use me like this one. I think I want to go up the wall today.
Oh.
Still trying to get.
Oh, the poor cat.
Aw, you and Mermaid. You get
It's like, I'm pooped. I don't want to play anymore.
I can see his chest rising. No, no, Mermaid.
You're so mean. Ah, okay. That's...
Get it, Merlin!
No!
Eat right there! Wait, where's the heart?
I have no heart.
Right there, right?
I have no heart. That's the thing.
Merlin, eat right there!
Yeah.
What are you doing as a cat?
Ah! You shied it in my eye.
Nothing laser pointer. I really want to record it.
I think we killed the cat.
No. This is fun.
Okay, that's it.